QNAP supports encryption on a volume level to protect your data should access to your NAS fall into the wrong hands. Encryption adds a layer of protection against unauthorized users and those who would steal the NAS. With an encrypted volume, you can simply lock and unlock access to the data on the volume with either a password or an encryption key. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create an encrypted volume on your QNAP NAS. Start by opening Storage and Snapshots. Now, select Storage Snapshots. Click the Create button and select New Volume. When the Volume Creation wizard opens, choose the storage pool on which you would like to create the volume. And choose between Static Volume, which has the highest performance but least flexibility and lacks certain features such as Snapshot, or Thick Volume, which has better performance than Thin but requires immediate storage allocation, or Thin Volume, which has the lowest performance of the three but also provides the most storage flexibility, in that the storage is only allocated from the storage pool as data is written to the volume. Make your selection and click Next. This will bring you to the Configure page of the wizard, which is where you will set the volume as an encrypted volume. Toward the top of the page, allocate your storage space for the volume and then click Advanced Settings in order to open the Advanced Settings. Drop-down menu and check the encryption box. At this point, fields to set credentials will open. Input and verify your desired password in order to set it. The password you choose must be between 8 and 32 characters long and cannot contain any spaces. If you would like to download an encryption key, which could be used in lieu of a password, check the Save Encryption Key box. Storing the encryption key on the NAS enables the NAS to automatically unlock the volume upon restart. However, this reduces security because if an unauthorized person gains access to both the NAS and its drives, they could retrieve the data since it will be unlocked. Conversely, not saving the encryption key ensures the volume remains locked after a reboot, enhancing security. In this case, the user must manually unlock the volume each time the NAS restarts to access the data. The key point to remember is that data will remain inaccessible until the volume is unlocked after reboot. Once you have set your encryption settings to your wishes, click Next. This will bring you to the summary page. If the settings for the volume are to your liking, click Finish. After the volume has been created, you'll see an unlocked lock icon, along with the word Ready under the Status section. So at this point, the volume is basically accessible, but to lock it, simply click Ready. A window will pop up asking you if you're sure that you would like to lock the volume. If you would, click Yes, your volume is now locked. To unlock it, click Locked. Here, you can either enter the encryption password or upload the encryption key file. You can also choose to save an encryption key when you do this by checking the box, in addition to being able to scan and mount shared folders or long configurations after unlocking the volume when ready. After inputting the proper credentials, click Apply. Your volume is now unlocked. Being able to lock and unlock a volume with encryption can play an important role in maintaining data security. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos to better utilize your QNAP NAS.